Also, this is my new reviewing of one of the data collection vehicles. Now, I'm not sure if I have any more data collection vehicles. Well, this looks like it comes with 2 instructions, but it only comes with 1. So that's kind of simple. It's touched about, and so I think first we're going to start off with the back today. So now, the back, you got some stairs here, so then you can climb right up here, and then in case this white ball's broke up. And yes, so you can do that, come up. And of course, here's the ladder. Now, it's not all one piece. It's 2 pieces, not all one piece. I wish it was all one piece, because then it would be more directioner, but my God. So, this thing just goes like that. You can do however you like it. It's sort of, so then the mini stairs can just walk, and they walk like this, then walk. Then they can have a better view. So that's it. So, and you got some pretty cool things right here. Kind of cool. And let's start off with this side. The side you have these things that can kind of move. You can move, but you can't move this way. You can only move this side. But this one you can move them. Not the same way. This one you can move it this guy's side, but you can't move it that guy's side. But that guy can move his side. So, and I'll show you white bulb, white. Now I'll show you a light bulb. So you want to see whatever. I watched something it looked like a review, but it was a building review. So we got getting West waiting to be here. You got the white bulb right here. So, and you know what the white bulb's quick. So now I think we should start off with this one next time. But this is a good show, so if you would just please try to look up something, if you try to see if you could cite all my reviews, and you could you could see if you want to buy one. Well, Atlantis is about to gonna come out. Alright, and then here you have a driller. It won't send it will similar. You just have to drive it like this, and then so back. When you pull it backwards, it goes like this way. When you pull it frontwards, it goes the other way. That's the one cool thing about the driller. I only get one manual, so once you get one manual, then you're gonna have to side. I'll show you what's in here in 1 second. Yeah. This is gonna come. So this is what's inside here. When you turn this, the whole thing, these ones move. That's the whole point. This one moves. That gear moves. So, and of course, I'll give you the close So that's all what's in there. You can put some nuts in there, or you can put a dog in there if you have a dog from the sets with clutch powers. So this you can get the complete dog one. I already had 2 dogs. So then you can put them right down in here. It's a good sauce of them. You can hear them and taste their 6 through each little hole. Now here's the thing. I think they should have covered up this, but then if they would have covered that up, they couldn't have this. And I like that. But then you can stick your singer down in there. So, and of course I had the white. The last bite of chocolate cake. Had the last bite. So, I had the last one to cut. So you can see everything like around this side. And of course I'll show you the chain right now. The chain is... So, here's your like chain, sort of, please. Yeah, that's your chain. Yeah, that's your chain. So, it's one piece. It looks. It doesn't look like it. It's in one piece. Because it was in one piece, then there would have to be what the same that's on. The chains cannot break, but I broke my chain. And that's kind of goosey. The chains cannot break, and my chain broke. That is goosey.